What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Andy Rocks. And in this video guys, we're gonna be unboxing the cheapest and the best 50mm lens and the aperture with 1.8, and it's only $40, around $40 depending on the website that you're buying from. And this lens is called Yongnuo or Yongnuo, I don't know guys exact Chinese pronunciation, but we can call it Yongnuo for now. So no more wasting time guys, let's get started. I'm back with my one opener again, and let's unbox this. Yongnuo 50mm lens, aperture 1.8, and something's written in Chinese. I don't know guys what's written, I can't read Chinese. Let's open this. Okay, that's our lens. It's actually very light, not heavy guys. Something we have got here. What is this? I don't know. Leave it. And I think this is the manual book or something. Safety precautions, maintenance, storage. So this is kind of description about the lens, how you mount this or how you dismount this. We don't need this. So guys, that's all we have got, only the lens and something about the description or something like that. And now let's open this. Guys, it's very lightweight and it has a screen protector or something on the lens. Let me just remove it. And it has the autofocus and manual focus here. So if you do manual focus, but it makes a little noise or something like that. You can hear or not, I don't know. I think that's okay because what you're paying, $40, so should be fine with this money. And we got another screen protector at the back. So let me just remove it again. So yeah, that's it guys. So let's try it on the camera now. So guys, if you don't know how to dismount lens, let me just show you. You press this button here beside the lens, just press it and just twist your lens anti-clockwise and open it. That's it. So that's my kit lens, and now let's try this lens. So you see the red dot here and the red dot on the camera as well. So just try to match the red dots together and just twist it clockwise. So bam, you have got it now. Alright guys, so remember that you cannot zoom with the prime lens like that. So that's what you need to know. But I think you'll get a good bokeh with this. Guys, let me just mention it that this is too close. This is too close to take the pictures because it's 50mm lens. So just remember that you have to like go a little bit away from the lens. You can see the lens when I'm trying to focus, it comes out or goes in. And if you just put it on the manual mode, so you can now do manual focus, just doing like this. So that's it guys, that's all about the Yongnuo prime lens. So I will also make another video, the kit lens versus the Yongnuo lens. That's all about the Yongnuo lens, and I think it's the best budget lens to shoot good portrait videos or portrait photos. If you buy the same lens of Canon, it will cost you around $120 or something. I mean, depending on the websites you're buying from, and depending on the offer, depending on the country you're buying from, so around $120. But if you buy the Yongnuo lens, you can get the same, almost 95% same quality, and the price is, I mean, less than half. It's only around $40 to $50 or 40 to 50 euros or pounds, like that. if you're planning to buy a good prime lens to take some portrait photos or portrait videos and your budget is not high, then go for the Yongnuo lens. Or if your budget is around like a 120 130 euros or dollars, whatever, so then you can go for the Canon 50mm lens. But there is not much difference, guys. If you see the pictures, you cannot distinguish much differences. So that's why I went for the Yongnuo lens instead of buying the Canon 50mm lens. So that's all about the unboxing, guys, and I will of course make another video about the Yongnuo lens, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed watching this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, do subscribe because I always make this kind of videos every week. So see you guys soon in my next video. Keep rocking.